I remember it so vividly. Years ago, walking into the gym, my eyes wide with both curiosity and also fear. Then just heading straight to the treadmill. That was my safe zone. I was spending time walking and just watching everybody lift weights. I remember deep down feeling a mix of admiration and jealousy. How were they so confident? I so badly wanted to lift weights, but out of fear of looking stupid or doing something wrong, that severely held me back. I didn't know what I was doing. I didn't even know the basics. Like, what do you do after a few reps? Hell, at the time, I probably couldn't have even told you what a rep even was, let alone a set. But here's the thing. We all start somewhere. Over time, with practice, perseverance, and willingness to learn, I began to understand the basics. I started to feel more comfortable and confident with my newfound abilities. I made a lot of mistakes along the way, but each one was a learning experience that brought me closer to my goals, which at the time was eventually to lose 50 pounds, which eventually led me to become a personal trainer. Hi, my name is Justin Boyard, and I help frustrated gym goers, men and women, get the results that they're looking for. So today, I'm going to be sharing with you the top 8 misconceptions I've noticed with clients or even people that are new to the gym who've been working so hard to reach their goals with no results, and what they go through that causes them to abandon their fitness goals entirely. Once you have enough trust for me, I'd like you to like this video and also subscribe to see more topics just like this. If you're a frustrated gym goer that hasn't seen any results in the past few months, this channel's for you. You ready to get started? Awesome, let's get into it. So number 1 would be you focus too much on cardio. Many believe it's the ultimate weight loss tool, neglecting strength training and using cardio to supplement missing workouts. You have to understand that in order to reach your goals, you must strength train. Strength training builds muscle, which burns more calories at rest, boosting overall calorie burn. Number 2 is heavy weights equals bulking up. This couldn't be any further from the truth. Mostly women express this fear, but building significant muscle mass takes dedicated effort and specific types of training. Strength training tones and strengthens, not bulk. Number 3 is the no pain, no gain. Soreness does not equal progress. Overtraining hinders results. So focus on form and listen to your body for optimal progress. In fact, it means that you're skipping warm-ups before your workout and not stretching after your workouts. Number 4 is diet doesn't matter. You cannot outtrain a bad diet, period. This may have worked well for you when you were younger, but unfortunately, as we age, things begin to change and it becomes a lot more difficult. A calorie deficit is crucial for weight loss. Food fuels your workouts and recovery. Number 5, you pay way too much attention to the number on the scale. Weight fluctuates are normal. Muscle weighs more than fat. You have to remember that. So just focus on progress photos, measurements, and notice how well you've been sleeping. Notice how your mood has improved since you've been training. The number on the scale is a distraction. Number 6 is instant gratification. Progress takes weeks, not days. Unrealistic expectations leads to disappointment and quitting. Number 7 is spot reduction. You can't target fat loss in specific areas. Exercise burns calories overall, not just where you're working out. Focus on just training 3 to 4 times per week, doing full body workouts, hitting every single muscle group. Number 8 is gym intimidation. Everyone starts somewhere. Gyms are full of people at different fitness levels. If anything, most people are focused on their own workout. Don't let your anxious thoughts convince you that people are watching you. Not everyone is really paying attention to you. If any of this sounds like you, what if I told you that you were just 5 days away to jump-starting your physique? I just created a 5-day challenge called the 5-Day Quick Start Physique Launch. In this course, you'll get access to 5 days of modules covering everything from gym intimidation, science-based nutrition, and fitness information. Here's what you'll learn. Science-based nutrition education, essential techniques for strength training, methods to optimize your workouts, effective strategies for cardio fitness. So go ahead and click the link in the description below to get that now. And I'll see you in the next video.